Our story begins in these fields. In the 1960s, our family left their homeland in Andhra Pradesh and began a new life in Karnataka. With nothing but courage and the land to depend on, our great grandparents and grandparents built everything from scratch. For them, food and farming weren't just survival, they were heritage, love, and identity. That same spirit inspires us today.
Our mothers and grandmothers' cooking showed us what nourishment truly means. With TVARISH, we carry this legacy forward. Tradition made convenient, nourishment made modern.
I'm Lakshmi Spandana Mullapudi. I am Rishika Mullapudi.
Welcome to TVARISH.